Hello everyone, my name is Deep Patel and here my team member is John, and we are talking about case study on leveraging artificial intelligence in customer relationship management for enhanced business performance in the subject of leveraging IT for managers HM 6032. This is the case study on Amazon, a big e-commerce company, and we did that case study to show that after applying AI technologies, how much company did growth and what are the business outcomes they got after applying AI systems in their uh, customer services and all the stuff. So if we start from introduction, so customer satisfaction is key thing for every business to get the success. Without customer satisfaction, we won't get that customer again and again to buy same product. So that's the main requirement for any business to get success. Then if we talk about traditional CRM systems, they were like they had many issues. One of the big issue was the too much data generated by a lot of the customers because so many customers used to use like big platform like Amazon and all the stuff, and they generate like millions of transaction in the day, and to handle this transaction the traditional CRM systems were not that much enough, so we needed AI enhanced CRM automation task and predicting systems uh, that was needed for customers. And Amazon uses AI to personalize customer experience, like when you search or something on the internet, you will get suggestions on the Amazon. Sometimes you get the pop-up thing in your advertisement that you searched like day before or something like that. So we can clearly see that Amazon is daily improving its AI system to get more customers. So this case study focuses on Amazon leveraging AI in CRM systems. Then, as we talked earlier, what was the problem and what we gonna do to solve that problem. We will discuss this in case study and whatever the results which company got, we gonna show that result also. So let's first talk about the problems which the company faced in earlier stages. Like if we talk about Amazon or any generalized company they which they faced challenges like employee resistance to change. It's obvious that some of the employee works with old generation thought process, and they they resist to change or and apply new thought process. So that's the also one challenge. Difficulty in selecting the right CRM system. Of course, AI is the one CRM system. We can choose other systems also. So sometimes it gets difficult to choose one system and stick with it. Difficulty in ensuring data privacy. That's the main factor of the any company. So if you're gonna apply any new thing uh, in business, then there's the problem that you have to compromise some data privacy. Like if I want to apply any AI system in my currently running database, then I have to meet any data analyst and AI expert to get to suggest me what can I do for my data. I have to show them my customer data and my personal data. So sometimes the transparency might get compromised, but yeah, that's the main hardest part for company to provide service without compromising data. And the other main big reason is cost and resource allocation. That's the also main factor for any company to make that decision. If the applying cost or resources are too much high, then there's a likely higher percentage chance that company won't do it because uh, no one gonna like spend millions of the dollars on trying new things, and if it won't success, then a company might get into the debt. Then other challenges, data quality and integration challenges. So if you apply new things in system, then data quality might compromise as we discussed earlier, but that you might get also problem regarding integration. Sometimes everything works properly, but if you don't integrate with it properly, then if customer clicks some button and you won't get the response, things like that. So that's why we needed AI driven CRM solution to improve, to outcome these problems. So we can use AI powered system as a predictive analytics for future trends, like what's gonna happen, what will be the trend. So we also did research on that. My team member will show you that in other part of the presentation. Machine learning for real-time personalization. So as we know that Amazon and other companies are using machine learning models to predict the user behavior and to show them what they love and like. So you can buy it from there. Automated routine tasks such as data entry. Data is like a big block of big block of chunk. We big companies like Amazon, they do millions of transaction every day. So to get to do automated tasks, we need AI driven solution, AI chatbots for 24 by 7 customer support. As we know that Amazon and other company uses chatbots to get to give you accurate answer anytime anywhere, and they are like very helpful for every company. Integration of voice assistants. Voice assistant is also the next upcoming big change in the AI, cause some of the people might have uh, vision problem and all, and voice assistant really can help them to overcome that disadvantage. Data driven decision making. So we might have so much data, so after analyzing that data we might take important decision toward the company's future. Then, as we talked, that by using machine learning model, we can predict customer behaviors and all the stuff. So, if we do historical customer data research of particular company and analyze it, we can also predict that how much this company will grow, and in the future, that will be improve sales forecasting and identify trends for better decision making for the company. Machine learning for personalization, as we talked that Amazon using machine learning products to show you what you love, and you will buy them from them. That's why they are using lots of machine learning techniques on the customer to show the better result. Then AI automation in CRM. So that's the main topic of the case study. Automate repetitive tasks, streamline data entry process, scores let's based on potential, automates email and communication workflows. As you know that we get like millions of mail every day, like you made payment, the payment was successful and all the stuff. To do this by humans, if we use human resources, then might can take up to days to do all the stuff. Then AI chatbots for support. They are like easy to use, offer 24 by 7 support, free up human agent for other complex issue, reduces wait time for customers. Like if we do call in the customer care, that might take over 10 to 15 minutes, but Chatbots are really fast and they can give you the answer in like minutes. Improves customer satisfaction ratio. So now if we particularly talk about Amazon's use of AI in CRM systems, so let's first start with the challenges and problems which Amazon faced earlier before applying AI into CRM systems. So one of the challenges was managing large volumes of customer data, as Amazons do millions of transactions per day, and that would be not easy for any CRM system to handle this data and then analyze it. Maintaining personalized customer experience, so every customer gets what they want in their application. It's very also big task for the Amazon. Ensuring scalability in CRM systems. So the data is so big, if you don't analyze it properly and don't scale it properly, then it will be big problem. Improving operational efficiency, addressing growing customer expectation, reducing manual process and errors, something like that. So steps before discovering solution. So now we are moving toward the solution after knowing the what are the problems which company face. Now let's starts with the solution, which will my team member will tell you how the company found the solution and what they do to get over that. John, please.
All right. Thank you very much, Deep, for that presentation. And just like as my colleague has said, Amazon is one of the largest retailers, especially in the online market. And so we have several steps that they had to take before they discovered the solutions of AI to assist them in their systems. And first of all was the internal assessment of CRM challenges, exploring the emerging AI technologies because there are so many AI technologies coming up, and you really need to decide which technology is good for your company. So Amazon had to do that, to look at the different technologies and see which one fits them specifically as I would say more of an e-commerce platform. The third one is developing AI-driven tools. You have to do that to support the AI technologies, collaboration with AI experts who are very, very important in making sure that you get high quality work, because you also want to have an AI technology for a company that is really good. So working with AI experts, and finally adopting it and using it in the company. So the decision process for integrating AI into CRM systems, number one is first of all to identify the problem. Number two is to explore the technological solution. Number three is to do a pilot testing and proof of concept, just to make sure that the technology that you want to use is really good for the business, and it's one that's going to bring in more clients into the business. And the last one is full-scale implementation, because once a technology has been identified, proven, and tested that it's okay, the last step is to do a full-scale implementation, which for a big company that like Amazon is not an easy job, and it takes a lot of time to do that. Next slide, please. So there are several solutions that have been implemented by Amazon, and they keep on getting new technologies every single day. A few of the solutions that are being implemented by Amazon right now. Number one is machine learning for product recommendations. Number two is automated customer service via AI chatbots and Alexa. So once you are interacting with the Amazon platform, you really don't need a human being on the other end to respond to your inquiries, because ideally you will be having conversations with chatbots and technologies like Alexa, which help in getting orders on time and just making sure that the people who are working in the company get to deal with more complex issues or orders that require maybe more customization that AI chatbots cannot handle. The other one is predictive analytics for customer insights, enhanced personalization at scale, because personalization leads to customer loyalty. AI-driven inventory and supply chain management, which is very, very important in a business, especially e-commerce, and improved decision-making based on data. Next slide, please. So we want to look at the cells before and after implementation of AI, and just from the explanation, it's clear that after the implementation of AI, the sales have just skyrocketed year after year. Every time there's a new introduction of AI system into an online platform, the sales increase rapidly. And so that's the same as you can see from 2014 to 2021. Just a simple graph that shows that there's an increase in the online sales thanks to AI. Next slide, please. So there's the predictive analytics at Amazon. So one of the things that happens at Amazon is this prediction of what clients want, thanks to AI. So it predicts customer preferences based on past behavior. So if you went on Googling electronics, it knows what you want. And next time it will keep on suggesting that to you. That's AI for Amazon, offers personalized product suggestions. If you looked at something that red, electronic, it will give you more suggestions on red electronics, anticipates future customer needs, improves inventory management, optimizes marketing strategies because now we know what the client wants, and it boosts customer engagement and loyalty. Yeah. Also, there's the preference. This is just a simple table to show the preference of for Amazon products by respondents, and we see that most people want to shop for apparel, electronics, home and kitchen. So this is just a comparison to see what mostly sells. And as we can see, most of the people prefer to shop for electronics on online platforms. And now, once AI captures that, it keeps on pushing the electronics products to be bought through the Amazon platform. Next slide, please. There's personalization via AI at Amazon, customizes product recommendations in real time, creates unique customer journeys. Yes. I would say AI, it's like it learns your brain as a client and it gives you what you want, increases conversion rates and sales, adapts personalization as preferences change, and it enhances the overall customer experience. Next slide, please. Automation at Amazon, automated customer support via AI chatbots, which is very, very important. And in the past 2 years, we've seen sales skyrocket because it's like there's 24 hours, every single second, there's somebody who's able to respond to customer inquiries, which is the chatbots, streamlined order processing, enhanced supply chain efficiency, increased overall productivity, improved customer service response times, and reduced operational costs because now chatbots are cheaper to maintain as comparing to hiring thousands of people to work on the online platforms. Next slide, please. Amazon's AI chatbots, they handle customer routine inquiries, provides personalized service recommendations, 24/7 customer support, reduces response time significantly, which is very important for online clients. We look at the results for AI implementation. It increases customer engagement because anytime they want to check on something, there's always something to check and somebody to respond to the chatbots, higher customer retention rates, better business decision making, boosted sales and revenues. Next slide, please. Conclusion, we can see that AI has transformed customer engagement in online platforms, and in this case specifically Amazon's, and there's a great improvement in the sales thanks to AI, and that future CRM systems will rely heavily on AI advancements. And the other thing that is key to note is that Amazon demonstrates the power of AI in CRM because that is just the revolution in the industry. And that's why Amazon remains the leading retailer on the online space. Yeah, so that is much about our presentation. We have a lot of references that are quoted in this presentation. And thank you so much for listening to our presentation. And in case of any inquiries, my group member and I are open to any questions. Thank you very much.
Thank you.